What is with my eyes burning?
Your eyes not burning. That's why you got that blindfold on your eye.
Burning.
Close it.
No.
It's nothing to burn your eye with. You see how you're not telling the truth?
And all blessings. We the best music. Another one.
What's up, BMQ squad? Y'all, we about to prank Big Man. Today is Father's Day. We about to do the handcuff prank on him. About to go put the blindfolds on him. And we got all these special goodies for him. I'm gonna put those on top of his head and get him a nice present at the end. Y'all ready? Here we go. Here we go, y'all. He on the phone. He about to get off this phone.
Everybody got choices, cuz.
That him in the bed right there. Babe, can you hang up the phone? We got a surprise for you.
Huh?
Can you hang up the phone? We got a surprise for you. You can get back on the phone in a minute.
No, I'm talking to my cousin.
Babe, hang up the phone.
No, I got.
Tell Rue you gonna come back. We got a surprise.
Hold on, cuz.
No, call him back.
I'm gonna call you right back, cuz. You going to sleep?
Now laughing at that.
I'll call you right back, cuz.
Call him
right
back.
Alright.
He call you right back, Rudy. Okay. We got blindfolds. You gotta put the blindfolds on. We got a special surprise for you.
My Uncle Rudy.
Uh oh, sorry.
Oh, wait.
I don't want to hear that, babe. Just come and go with the flow. It's Father's Day. We got a surprise. Come on.
Come on, come
My
on.
shoes on.
Let Daddy put his shoes on. He won't put his shoes on. Let him put it on.
Let's put their shoes.
Come on, please.
Okay, one right here, Dad. Right here. One right here. What is the other one?
You're going to really love this surprise.
Give me your hand, Dad. Come on. Get it.
Okay, here we
You
go.
can't see. Don't walk me to the wall.
Come on.
Y'all don't walk Daddy to the wall.
No.
They not. They got you.
Come on. Come on. Come on, Dad. Come on.
I can't see. Laugh. Me there. It feel like the sun on my head.
It feel like what on your head?
The sun on my head.
The sun. We're not even outside, babe.
Wait!
Hey, sit. Just sit.
No! What's your...
You in the That's not your tight end.
What's your... What?
Yeah, you in the way of the camera, man. We have the camera.
Why you got my haircut?
Okay. You about to get your surprise. Wait. Let me make sure y'all got it. Y'all can see everything.
What is that
It's too bright. Wait.
No, Dad, you can't take it off.
No, because I don't like this.
Do not take it off. This is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. We love you. Appreciate you. Happy Father's Day.
What kind of Father's Day is this?
How do I crack it?
Oh, this is a... How y'all can say y'all love me on Father's Day and do some stuff like this?
We love you.
This ain't no love. I don't like this one. I don't like this Father's Day.
Oh, you the best father ever.
He said, what is this?
What is... With my eyes burning.
Your eyes not burning. That's why you got that blindfold on your eye.
Burning.
Close it.
No.
It's nothing to burn your eye with. You see how you're not telling the truth? Okay, last but not least.
You gonna like this one?
I don't like this.
This is the best.
Father's Day.
You okay?
Oh, what is that? It's nasty.
Close your eyes. Happy Father's Day! Here go your gift, babe.
I don't want all this stuff on me.
You don't want all the stuff on you, babe?
No. Hey.
We got all the stuff right there.
Look, it's all.
Not all of it. They didn't do the ketchup and stuff, but yeah.
And this.
We just wanted you to show how much we love you on Father's Day. We appreciate it. Oh, big man crying. Let me see. It's the handcuff prank.
Mom, take him off that handcuff.
Okay, we can take them off now. We handcuff prank you, babe. Somewhere you can't move.
Don't make my black clothes off.
Okay, good. You need to take a bath anyway.
I took it out.
Yeah, Daddy did take a bath.
Oh, well, he can take another one. You can take more than one a day. Right, you guys?
A Fitbit. I got a Fitbit, y'all. All this is I got a Fitbit.
A Fitbit is good.
I should have another Fitbit. Look, Fitbit, y'all.
Oh, we got him a
It go to my
Fitbit.
watch.
He wanted one so badly. So there you go.
Hold on, Mel. Here's my present.
Ah, my foot.
Here's my present. This is a mess.
This is a mess.
Let me see it.
Oh.
Hi, y'all. Hi. They did a handcuff thing on me.
Okay, y'all. We wanted to prank Big Man with the handcuff prank. That was our prank for today. We appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching our handcuff prank.
Hope you enjoy.
We hope you enjoy. He got a great Father's Day prank
Best in the
present.
world.
The best in the world. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. If you old, make sure you hit that notification. We appreciate you. Say bye, babe.
Like the grit.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.